Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about something that's usually done, and I wanna go against that norm. Okay, now people usually, when they wanna fix electronics and things like that, they use something like this video microscope, objective lens, and this camera, which they call industrial microscope camera. And they are always attached like this. Okay. Okay, don't want to screw it to the end, but you got it. Okay, so they put it together, and this side they like either the HDMI side and the VGA side is connected direct to a screen. Okay, it has its built-in computer. Okay, and you just connect this power to the power, and that's it. Okay, and you can see whatever comes underneath the microscope. Now, what I'm going to do is, because this does not allow you to directly record on a computer, okay, what allows you to directly connect to a computer is a telescope camera, something like this. Okay, see, it has a USB port. Okay, the same as the one that's used for printers. Okay, and here it has the 1.25 inch size, and inside there's threads for color filter. You can install it. But the problem is that this is a 28 millimeter diameter. This is a C mount, which is like 25 millimeters, so it's loose. Okay, you can see it's loose. So to fix it, we use fix the situation on here. Okay, we use this ring, okay, which is an adapter for it. Okay, and this is not a cheap one. This is like $20 before shipping. Okay, so it's very rare. You can get it from Astro Agena. So let's see how things would be. So this is our microscope. It has from the top here somewhere you can install it on the C mount, and on the very top, okay, there is where you can install the eyepieces of our microscope, which are 23 millimeters in diameter. Okay, and this is also here, okay, where I can install this microscope. Okay, so we're going to see everything, and we're going to record a little bit from both the microscope, okay, and the biological microscope, and this video microscope. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you put, if you look with me here, let's yeah, because it needs focusing. The focusing will not work unless I do some kind of hiding. Okay, so look here, there's there are grooves. Okay, so those grooves that you're seeing over here and here. Okay, those will help you to remove the ring from here or from the the microscope, the video microscope. Okay, so we're going to install it like this. Okay, and of course, now I'm gonna put it the other way around, because it's usually comes out with the camera, not with the see if there is another group from the other side. Okay. there are grooves from both sides. If there are, okay, it's very important to note, yeah, there are grooves from both sides. This is very important because you need some method, okay, some way that allows you to and don't like screw it firmly, don't press hard on it, okay, just like this, okay. Now this is something that I've made just for myself, okay, don't want to pay a lot, okay, because this hole here is bigger than the size of the, there is an adapter, but just, this is a quickie, okay, just something to hold it, okay. I'm gonna lower this, okay, there's a screw from behind, here if you want to see, okay, there's a screw from behind, so I have to lower the screw like this, to some place like this, okay, and no, just, this should not move, okay, the post should not move, okay, that's it, it's not supposed to move, okay, and just for you to know, if you look at this, it has here, it can change the magnification, or, okay, you can see how it goes deep and deep and deeper, okay, because this will help you in changing the magnification, okay. Now I put it on the maximum here, just made it the maximum like this, okay, and here I just sits like this, okay. You can now connect the camera. This is the cable of the USB, okay. Connect the camera, okay, hopefully it works. Just sometimes OBS does not take the, yeah, okay, now we're good. Now here, let me just hide the camera a little bit, okay. Here we have a light, okay, an LED light. So what we need to do is connect it to the USB. Okay. Turn on the camera again. Now this is it. See? Let me put the camera to the side where you can see all our devices, hopefully. Okay, gonna make it smaller. It's better to put it on the laptop side. Okay, cool. So, and then, okay, let's see anything, okay, underneath it, yes. So, I have some writings over here just for fun, okay, so we're going to see what will happen to them. Okay, the camera is too far, so it's too far from here to here. See, this is the paper. This is so I'll have to use the focuser like this. It's in the very lowest level. Okay, so I have to make it this down here. Okay, and I increase the light. Okay, and then try to focus stuff. And the other way around there is some lighting. Yeah. So this is how printing looks like in reality. Just dots they connected together. Okay. And so this is letter C, so I can just simply focus like this. Okay, and you see that they are just dots connected to each other to make the line that you want to see, and you're seeing them smooth lines. Okay, this is how printing works. Okay, now this time, okay, I'm gonna show you how we use the same camera. This is a telescope camera, like I said. Okay, over here. Okay, this camera can sit over here. You see there's this part, we remove it. Okay, and just simply screw it like this. That's it. See, it's okay. It's connected. Okay, and held firmly. Okay, now we're going to use this time this one. Okay, telescope camera. Okay, and I'm gonna use also, this is a Barlow lens. Okay, or you can look at it as a one-time eyepiece even. Okay, because it's just 1x. Okay, so let's show it to you. And here it has the same size of any eyepiece for a microscope. So see if we compare them. They are almost the same size. Okay, so I can just simply, if I want, I can put it over here. Okay, and it works. See, sitting smoothly. Okay. Okay. Now, the thing is that okay, this is here. Okay, is C mount from the top. Okay, this size is C mount. Okay, so same for the industrial camera. So just for you to know, okay, here it can just works on C mount. Okay. So what we're going to do is, of course, we're going to use the adapter. Okay. And this we will have to use this one which was on the top. Okay. Just have to return back. Okay. But the problem with this is that the focusing sync is too far. Okay. Maybe the resolution, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay. The resolution will be low. Okay. So you have it from here in the bottom. Okay, and there is a slide here, a human kidney slide. Okay, human kidney tissues slide. Okay, so from here till here. Okay, till here, from here till here is better than here. Okay, so you see the difference in the resolution. So I have to remove this first. Okay. Okay, the ring stayed where? Okay, stayed here. So I'm gonna put it like this. And then going to put it like this. And the current magnification will be, see, this has a 1x, which is 1 times magnification, so there's no real magnification. Okay, and here the bottom is set on the 4 times. Okay, this has 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times, and 4 times, 100 times, 10 times, and there's another one. And 40 times. Okay, 40x. So you just multiply the, for example, here I have 1x, and here I have 4x at the bottom. So they will be like, you multiply them together, you get 4x, okay? So you put it like this. Okay, see, this is the kidney, okay? I'm gonna stretch the screen of the microscope here, because it's not as well seen. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and you can see I try to increase the light, but it's not helping us because this is too far. See, it's too far. Okay, this is too far. This is what I'm telling you about. From here even, see, from here, so here is too far. Okay, this is important because this means the light does not go easily and reach easily this camera. Okay, so let's try to put it from here and see the difference. Okay. Increase the light from here, from the bottom. There's this button. Okay, to increase the light. Okay, see the resolution, it's highly different. Okay, very, very different. Okay, down to increase it. See, if you want to revise it, just rewind the video and you see the difference in in the picture. So yes, okay. And with this camera also I can change the resolutions. This has a number of the industrial camera, this one has a number of resolutions, but it's not as this one. Okay, this is better, always better. Okay, so, and you can change the frame rate and things like that. Okay, so yes, you get a USB camera, it's always better, okay, than this. This is just for convenience. Okay, and I know professionals don't need this high resolution usually. Okay, it's just something to see. Okay, and they know it. Okay, because they have previous experience of the shapes of the things that are underneath the microscopes. Okay, and this is usually used for electronics. So electronics are usually underneath the microscope are bigger than what you're going to see in histology and human tissues and animal tissues and all this biology stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, every Saturday evening and Wednesday evening we have a live session where you can come and ask me, okay, about anything related to computers and programming. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.